do we have videos of both ombre one?
Yes.
Oh, awesome. Okay, left or right? So you see that how I applies it on, I feel a little bit of more. I'm gonna just like remove them and we are going to blend it and add the no wipe top coat on the top. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Accessories and Stuff Live tutorial. If you are new, we are streaming every day to bring you all different cool techniques. So if you have any question, feel free to comments below, or oh my god, I know it's really cute though. You can go either way. Like with the crystals and the frame and charm, you can go either way. It doesn't have to be this way is the right way or the wrong way. You create your own way. Right? So it's really cute though. Should I recreate it the thumbs that I have? Look at that.
Sure.
Oh no. Nika like, okay. Oh my gosh. If I do this, I'm gonna cover unicorn. Yeah. So
you wanna do like
I'm better slow down. Here's it for my crystal kit. Okay, I'm going up here and I leave that unicorn and coffee alone. Yes. Okay, so I'll be really patient. So if I cover, just as I said earlier, before I start doing any crystal, you know, any point, at any point you can stop. Your clients love it like that. Just leave it there. Don't have to go further. Don't have to go more. Add some crystal. You're happy. That's all that matters. But if the client's like, oh, Nancy, I don't care. I know that unicorn there. And then I want the crystal. I want unicorn to have crystal too. I said, sure. You know, if you're happy, that's all that matters to me. It doesn't matter. You want more, then I add more. But there are no limits of what you can do and what you can create for your You know what is gonna look good on that frame? There's two little moons on the little frame. It's gonna look good and right here. What you think?
The yellow Luna moon.
Yes. Can you get it? Can you make it happen? If not, then I'll get this one.
Oh, gotcha.
You got it?
Yes, I'm gonna.
Here, I got it first.
Go on in dark volume 2.
You think?
Yes. These ones?
Maybe too big?
Yeah, too big.
Yeah, I'll use this one. No, I mean the frame.
Oh.
You remember the moon shape?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what it is? In my kits, on all the bows up right there. Yeah. You see what I mean? And you can use that one too.
Okay, the mixed frames over here.
Yeah. Oh, looks cute. I like it.
Really cute like that.
You see that thing? Like the ones have the moon right there. Okay. I'm talking about that. You see what I mean? Just having fun to give it a little bit of ideas. Let me get the...
You see it right there?
This one is, what is that in the metal frame? Was that a Lily or someone who knocked the door?
This Lily.
Here is I'm talking about. Let's see. Oh my god, it looks so cute, Mika.
So pretty. Move to the left.
Good. Looks cool though. You can put different colors from the glow in the darks if you prefer. Whatever colors work for you. And I still see the unicorn underneath right there.
Move to the left one.
Yeah. And then you can add beads on as you prefer. If you don't want any beads on, leave it alone like this. It looks super cute. All right, so I'm go ahead. And you know what? If you don't stop me, I can keep going on with this. I can go more. All right, so Kia for 60 seconds.